good, YouTube? Back at it again with another video, man. LouKang, LouKang's Kickx, man. Don't y'all ever forget it, man. Hey, I know it's been a minute, man. It's been crazy with this coronavirus, man. This done put a dent in a lot of things, man. Let me tell you, man. Plus just some personal stuff, man. I'm gonna just let y'all know, you know what I'm saying? Right before all of this, bought a dog, had a flood. You know what I'm saying? Come on, it's time to go lay down. Come on. Up. Bruh, what are you doing? Up. Come here. Fendi, come on, cut it out, bruh. Oh, you think you in a jungle, huh? It's like that? It's like that? Where the spray bottle at then? You want it? Come here. I know you're tired now. Yeah. Oh. Captured. Got you. Just wildness, man. But look, I've been waiting to open these things for a minute. You know what I'm saying? For a good minute. So we're going to go ahead and do that, man. You know what I mean? Had to take a little break. I'm back, though. LouKang, LouKang's Kickx, man. Please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Help your boy out. You feel me? You like Kickx? You know what I'm saying? Help me out. You feel me? Check my videos out, man. I'm going to let y'all know what's popping. I'm going to start giving y'all some more release information. But let's get into it. Let's do it. So here we go. All right? What are these? I done damn near forgot almost. Just about. I mean, I'm going to be honest. Here we go, though. Let's crack them open. Y'all know sound effects. Y'all know how I do. Bam. Just like that. Think y'all could tell by the box what we got going on right here right now, right? Woo! Okay. Let's see what these things is looking like, man. Let's do it. Get them out. You know what I'm saying? Bam. Nike Lebron. You know what I'm saying? Monstars. Let's see what they looking like. Get them open. Ooh, let's see how they looking in person. Woo! Ooh. Man, I had bought these to jump these too, man. Damn, these are shots from K2 is right. Shots from K2 is right. Woo, look at that. Can y'all see that in the light? Y'all see the little sparkle on there? I wonder if that's hitting on the video. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. The Monstars, man. Hey, and LeBron's is good hoop shoes, man. I got some other ones I'm going to be talking about later, but ooh, look at him. Let me get this other one out, too. Man. Let's toss this box inside right here. Man, so y'all get a good, like, side-by-side comparison of these things, man. Woo, I had bought these to dump these along with the bunnies. You know what I'm saying? Who knows when Space Jam 2 is dropping right now? But, man, these is hard. These are hard, man. These are, like, way better than I expected. Like, I was really not expecting this in person. Like, y'all see them? Y'all got them? Like, man, like, it sparkles. Like, I hope it's hitting on the video. Like, it's sparkling. But, yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Back up in there. Back in the game. You feel me? Monstars. Bronnies. I don't want to say Bronnies, that's his son, but LeBron's though. Man, it's just hitting, man. It's hard. Whew. Anyway, man, look. I'm going to keep coming back. I'm going to keep coming at y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to keep giving y'all that heat. Put these things in the shelf right there. You know it's a spot for them. You know I can't wait to do that. So, you know, any questions, man, y'all feel me? Oh, look at that. Look on the inside. Look at the insole, though. Let's see if we can get that on the camera, though. Let's look at that insole. See the Space Jam on the insole? Y'all see that up in there? Yeah, I didn't even see it. That was up in there at first. That's kind of hard. See that? That's kind of hard right there. So anyway, man, yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, man. Y'all holler at your boy, man. I'm back. I'm going to keep dropping. Y'all hit me if y'all have any questions, man. I appreciate y'all, man. All of y'all support, man. Off top. I'm out.